Welcome to PSN News. Today our top story is about the strange sickness that is going around. It is called the bird flu. It is much like the normal flu, apart from it goes through the 5 stages. The transformation is very painful, which we are going to show you in these next clips. No parrots were harmed in the making of this video. Thanks for watching.
This is really interesting.
Oh, it bit me! Oh, there you go.
Wasn't that cow delish last night?
Oh, yeah. Kept me up all night chewing that one piece.
Oh.
I'll have some tea, maybe it'll wake me up. I've got to get off food, yummy. This doesn't taste very good. Oh, yummy, finally! I reached the top! Oh, this is yummy. Mashed potatoes.